Today we are going to be talking about a realistic side hustle that requires no degree, no realistic teaching experience, no fancy equipment, and you're going to be making at least $200 a day. Yes. So all you need is just you, your laptop, and your knowledge, and you're good to go. So if you're trying to escape your 9 to 5, save for your apartment, this is the video for you. So before you scroll away thinking, oh, I'm not a teacher, let me tell you, you do not have to be a professional teacher. All you have to know is know at least a bit better than we are going to be teaching. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So we're going to be starting with this. What can you actually teach without being a teacher online? See, here are really life examples that I have seen. I have actually seen somebody teach how to write a K-drama fan fiction and people are paying for it. Yes, I'm not even kidding. And I also know of somebody that actually runs a Minecraft for kids and teaches kids how to run in Minecraft, and basically that is just how it is. Just have to have like a knowledge of something and the ability to choose to teach that person. You don't even have to be a professional teacher to do this. See, you could be teaching basic stuff like Yoruba. If you are Yoruba, like you know a language, a second language. If you are in Nigeria, you obviously know a second language. You know, imagine there are people out there. At least I know a guy on TikTok that all his content is about learning how to be a Yoruba and learning to speak Yoruba. And there's me that speaks it fluently. I can offer to coach him. Like, this is things that I've learned since I was a baby. Like, I do not even have to be an expert in Yoruba. I just need to teach him how to communicate and I get paid for it. Yeah. People are actually, I see people teaching Igbo, teaching Hausa online, and they get paid for it. You can even teach things like beginner Canva tips or how to start a YouTube channel. By the way, if you are curious about how to start a YouTube channel, you want to monetize on YouTube fast like I did. I currently have 2 monetized channels. So I get paid on this channel. It took me almost 2 years to monetize on this channel. On my second channel that I created, it took me only 8 months to monetize. Yes. Now I know how YouTube works better. So if you want to monetize on YouTube fast, I am your girl. Book a consultation with me. Send me an email on richaderonke@gmail.com, and I'm your girl. You can have a one-on-one session about how to monetize fast on YouTube. And that is, by the way, I digress. So the moral of the story, the moral of what the yapping I've been doing is there is a student for almost everything. Yes, people are willing to pay for the knowledge that you have. You just need to know how to package your knowledge right. Like, that is just it. So the first platform that I'm going to be talking about is OutSchool. So this platform lets you teach live virtual classes to kids between 3 and 18. Like, you can teach kids from 3 to 18. And no, they do not require a teaching degree. They don't expect you to be an expert. But you also need to be engaging and age appropriate. Like, you need to be age appropriate to teach kids. It's kids that we are talking about, minors. So say for example, you charge $15 per class and 10 people register. How much have you made? Yeah, you see what I'm talking about. And if you teach 2 of those classes in a day, boom, you have made $300. $200 is even putting it lightly. You can make much more than that. So they take like 30% cut out of it. So you know that at least you're making 270. So the kind of classes that you can teach on this platform is one-time classes. You can teach clubs like e.g. book chat for teens. You can do an ongoing series like, oh, learn Yoruba in 4 weeks, learn Hausa in 4 weeks, learn Igbo in 4 weeks. So you need to start with a one-time class to test interest, and if people are willing to pay, then you can go for the series. Tools that you actually need is Zoom. You will need slides or screen sharing material, and you also need basic lesson plan. Don't worry, AI can do that for you. So here's exactly how you're going to use AI to build those classes. So if the idea of creating a lesson plan makes your brain hurt, you can use AI. And the AI that we're going to be using is ChatGPT. We are going to be using ChatGPT or Cloud. All you have to say like, oh, create a 45-minute lesson plan for kids that want to learn Yoruba, and boom, AI is going to do the work for you. You just need to copy, tweak it, and add your vibe, and you're good to go. So the second platform that I'm going to be talking about is Preply. Also on Preply, you do not need a degree, you do not need a certificate. And also on this one, you only teach one-on-one classes, you do not teach groups, so you can only take one person at a time. And you can also teach in different languages. You can teach English, you can teach You can teach Spanish, you can teach French. So if you are not confident teaching fluently, if you are not confident speaking fluently, you can teach a beginner's class and charge them like $12 per hour. And once you start to become confident, you can bump it up to like $20 per hour. So let's say that you have books like a few times a week, you can make like $50, $100. You can even bump it up a little and offer bundle classes or collect testimonials in order to attract more clients, and also try to build repeat clients. Like first time impression matters. So if they are going to be taking one-on-one session, like over deliver, that is the key. So there are some common questions that people might want to ask me. I don't care. Do I need to show my face? Yes, you need to. So if you're a shy person, this might not be for you, especially on our school. You have to show your face on that platform in order to teach. They need to know that you're a real person. Another question would be, I don't care, do I need a laptop? Yes, you do, because you are going to be sharing your screen, darling. You need a laptop. I'm not saying you cannot do it on your phone, but it is quite convenient on your system. It makes more sense. Another person might want to ask me, oh, how long until I get my first student? What I'm going to say is it totally depends on you. So for some it might take you a week, for some it might take you 2 to 3 weeks. It totally depends on you and the kind of class that you're offering. So there you have it, my darlings. This is like a realistic side also that you can do, that is going to make you at least push comes to shove $100 a week. Yes. And you do not need a professional degree, you do not need to have certificates, you do not even need to be a professional teacher to do this. You just need to have knowledge and the confidence to teach, and you're good to go. Anyway, this is a realistic side also that I've brought to you guys. If you enjoy videos like this, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and of course comment. On this channel you are going to be learning everything on how to make money online, personal finance, and YouTube group, of course. Sure, always keep coming back for more.